Alright, flange face has been all cleaned up. Let's give you an example of what it looks like now. See, now we've got a pretty clean surface. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you over to the undercarriage of the car. We're going to show you the flange face that's on the back side of the catalytic converter. Show you how dirty that is and why we need to wire brush it. So let's get under here. Let you get a look at it. Can you see that? When I'm done, it won't look like that. So you want to make sure you get your wire brush and get all of that existing old gasket residue and everything removed off of there. But always safety first. Make sure you have safety glasses on when you're doing this, and make sure that the car is properly secure, meaning the wheels need to be chocked, and also the car is actually up on either a lift or jack stands. Do not ever get under a vehicle with it only resting on the jack. It can give way. I can tell you that firsthand because I've had it happen. To be continued.